Exercise 6.1, question number 5. A straight rod of length 8 units slides with its ends AB always on the x and y axis respectively. Find the locus of the midpoint of the line segment AB. So this is our question. So we can draw the graph like this, x-axis, this is y-axis. So we can take this is point A and we can, this is point A, this is point B. Let A is the point lies in the x-axis, and we can take this point is A comma 0. This distance is A, and this point we can take it as 0 comma B. So let A is the point A comma 0 and B is the point 0 comma B, which lies on the x and y axis respectively. So you see, find the is always lies in the x and y axis. Find the locus of the midpoint of the line segment AB. So they are asking the midpoint of the line segment, locus of the midpoint of the line segment of AB. So we can take this point as M, this is the midpoint. So how will you find out the midpoint? Just we have to add these two and divide by 2. So A plus 0 divided by 2, 0 plus B divided by 2. So A by 2 comma B by 2. This is the point. So this is O. This is the origin O. So now you see, we can take P of H comma Y, H comma K. Let P of H comma K be any point on the locus of the point. So we can take, let P of H comma K is equal to M of A by 2 comma B by 2. So this is the midpoint. We are going to find out the locus of the midpoint of the line segment. So we are taking this point is, let P of H comma K be the point on the locus. So just we can equate these to P of H comma K is equal to this one. So which implies H is equal to A by 2 and K is equal to B by 2. Just we are equating the terms. So 2H is equal to A and 2K is equal to B, or A is equal to, that is A is equal to 2H and B is equal to 2K. So just we got the values for A and B. That is A is equal to 2H and B is equal to 2K. Just we got the value of A and B in terms of H and K. So now we come to this triangle. This triangle is the right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that this AB square, which is equal to OA square plus OB square, because it is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem we know that OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. Using Pythagoras we can write like this. So which implies, what is the value for OA? So OA means we have to take S, which implies distance between the point OA. We have to find out the distance OA and OB. So OA is equal to, because this is 0 comma 0, so and this distance is A and this distance is B. So we know this